All right, today we are checking out Mohamed Tarek doing Azan, okay? Yes. Welcome. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, by the way. That simply means may peace and blessings be upon you. Okay, let's check this out. If it's so good, I might end up just using it for my alarm clock. Oh, he's at some kind of TV show. Beautiful show. I mean, studio. I love it. MashaAllah.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
MashaAllah.
Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله
لا إله
الله 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 عليك يا محمد. الحمد لله. أروح يا شيخ ربنا يفتح عليك.
ما شاء الله. That has to be one of the most beautiful adhan calls ever. MashaAllah. Is there an MP3 version of this that I can download? Because this is beautiful. Huh? I did not want it to pause in the middle of it because it was so beautiful. Okay. After this video, I'm definitely looking to see if I can find an MP3 version of this so that I can download and use it. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Such a beautiful voice. Wallahi, he's MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Yeah, that was beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And yeah, beautiful. What else can I say? I don't know if this is appropriate. The crowd goes wild. Or in this case, I go wild because that's so beautiful. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you already have not subscribed. Okay? Peace out.